Hi, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. In this video, I want to share with you a key of health that is amazing and delicious: mint. Mint is such a versatile herb. It is refreshing, soothing, and can be used dry, fresh, or in form of essential oils. I highly recommend you grow some. It is so easy to grow and barely needs any caring. Mint adds such a refreshing taste to salads, smoothies, juices, and even hot teas. You can add dried mint to yogurt to make a delicious dip. Mint goes wonderfully with kale in smoothies, and it's a great flavor to wheatgrass juices as well. You can add a few leaves of fresh mint to black or green tea after brewing, and you won't feel the need to add any sweetener whatsoever. Don't underestimate this humble herb and what it can do for you. I love mint simply for its flavor, but its benefits actually make it an essential for every household. Mint is good for your entire body, but where it really makes the biggest impact is your digestive and respiratory systems. So if you suffer from digestive concerns like indigestion, bloating, gas, IBC, or UC, you really should be paying attention here. The best way to use it for digestive concerns is to either eat fresh leaves as a salad or boil fresh leaves in water while covered and drink that tea. You can add fresh fennel or even fennel seeds to this tea for added benefits. Mint is amazing for respiratory issues, so lung congestion, asthma, mucus, sinus congestion, you name it, mint will solve it. The best way to use mint for respiratory concern is in the form of tea or essential oil. Simply put peppermint essential oil in either a neti pot or a pot of boiling water and inhale the steam from that water. It really helps open up those membranes. It is safe for children and even infants. So if your baby is suffering from congestion, cold, or flu, you can add some peppermint essential oil in a vaporizer, a humidifier, or a diffuser in your child's room. You can also add the oil to a steamy hot bath and sit in the bathroom holding the baby just so the baby can inhale that steamed water containing the oil. It will really relieve those symptoms. Mint tea is great for sore throat, for scratchy throat, hoarseness, and that sticky phlegm that you sometimes get in your throat. This is one of the most soothing teas you can have before bedtime. It really helps wind down your body and helps it relax. These are just some of the many, many benefits of this valuable and humble herb. I recommend you grow it in your herb garden or even on your windowsill. This is it for this video. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any particular concerns, feel free to get in touch with me for a consultation. See you next time. Goodbye.